We now turn to someone who's a giant. India's largest steel producer, infrastructure, power, cement, and automobiles, bought of MG. It's a great honor for me to request Shri Sajjan Jindal to make his very important presentation today. Powerhouse.
Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamta Didi, Honorable Chief Minister of Jharkhand, Shri Hemant Soren ji, Dr. Amit Mitra, Mukesh Bhai, Sanjeev Goenka, Harsh Nevatia, dignitaries on the dais, and my friend, Namaskar. It's a pleasure to be here today and contribute to Mamta Didi's undying vision of making Bengal an economic powerhouse, social and cultural powerhouse in India. I've been coming here to the BGBS over the years, and I've seen it progress from strength to strength. I don't think I've been to every summit in different states in the country, and I don't think any state provides this kind of facility that I see in Bengal, I see in Kolkata. This kind of convention center is absolutely beyond imagination. If you look closely, the government of West Bengal has consistently evolved its policies to maintain its competitive position. Honorable Chief Minister Mamta Didi has made an unwavering commitment to making Bengal a hub for industry, infrastructure, culture and innovation. Under her leadership, the state has emerged as one of India's most dynamic investment destinations. West Bengal has always been a land of ideas, enterprise and transformation. Historically, it has been the gateway to trade and commerce in India, playing a pivotal role in shaping the nation's economic landscape. From being a leader in manufacturing to emerging as a powerhouse in infrastructure, IT, and financial services, Bengal has always been at the heart of India's growth story. With several major trading ports and international sea lanes passing through, Bengal is most strategically located for export business to thrive. From my personal experience, I can confidently say that Bengal means business. At JSW, we are privileged to be part of Bengal's development journey. Our association with Bengal has been a significant one. Over 7 years ago, Honorable Chief Minister herself inaugurated our flagship cement plant here in Shalboni in West Midnapur, and today that facility is operating at its rated capacity. I must highlight that our experience of starting up and running an industry here has been seamless and lucrative. We have not lost a single man-day of operations at our plant due to any supply chain constraints, any labor issues, which is a testament to the pro-business environment that exists here. This is a testament to the conducive business environment that Bengal offers and the confidence we have in its potential. As a group, JSW has always believed in investing for the long term, building assets that drive development, create employment, and power growth. It is with this commitment that I am delighted to announce our next steps of major investments in this state. As we stand here today, we plan to invest into 2 into 800 megawatt power plant in Shalboni with an investment of 16,000 crore rupees. This project is a significant step towards meeting Bengal's growing energy needs, ensuring stable and sustainable power supply to fuel industries, businesses and homes. Our investment is not just about generating power, it is about empowering Bengal's future. And we are fully prepared to scale up further. Whenever the state requires additional power, we will be ready to invest another 16,000 crores to double the capacity to 3,200 megawatts. In addition to power, JSW is shortly launching our industrial park to facilitate lots of industries that can happen in the state of West Bengal, over 2,000 acres. With this, with its strategic location and pro-business policies, the park will create new opportunities for business to leverage the state's resources and drive long-term economic growth. We are also looking at the Durgapur airport to invest in that airport and to develop it further to make it a real hub aerotopolis for the second airport of West Bengal, which can become a very large airport. All these investments underscore JSW's deep commitment for West Bengal. It reflects our belief in the state's potential, in its policy-driven approach to industrialization, and in the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Didi, whose vision for Bengal's economic expansion is both inspiring and resolute. We see Bengal as a key pillar of our national growth strategy, and we are confident that our continued partnership with the state will drive progress for all stakeholders. Beyond industry, our commitment extends to the communities we operate in. At JSW, we strongly believe that business must contribute to society in a meaningful way. Through job creation, skill development, environmental sustainability, and social welfare. With these new investments, we are not only bringing infrastructure and capital into the state, but also generating thousands of direct and indirect employment opportunities for the people of Bengal. Paschim Bengal is poised for its next phase of economic growth, and as an industrialist, I firmly believe in the potential of this state. With its strategic location, rich human capital, and progressive policies, Bengal has all the ingredients to become a leading industrial powerhouse in India. And as JSW, we are proud to play a role in its exciting future. Once again, I would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee ji and the entire government of West Bengal for their support and vision. We look forward to continuing this journey together, building a Bengal that is stronger, more prosperous, and an example for the rest of the country. Dhanyabad. Jai Hind.
পাওয়ার প্ল্যান্ট তৈরিতে 16,000 কোটি টাকার বিনিয়োগ করবে সজ্জন জিন্দালের গ্রুপ জেএসডব্লিউ এবং শালবনীতে যে সিমেন্ট কারখানা সেই সিমেন্ট কারখানায় একটি শ্রম দিবসও নষ্ট হয়নি বলে ভূয়সী প্রশংসা করলেন সজ্জন জিন্দাল। এছাড়াও দুর্গাপুরে পশ্চিমবঙ্গের দ্বিতীয় বৃহত্তম বিমানবন্দর তৈরির জন্য বিনিয়োগ করবে জেএসডব্লিউ, একথা ঘোষণা করলেন বিশ্ব বঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলন থেকে সজ্জন জিন্দাল।